just a box of 12 packs of Throne of Eldraine, the collector's booster packs. And oh my goodness, it was fun. The artwork, the showcase cards,
The foils.
the foils, the extended art, all of it is just phenomenal. And then when we got done, everything said and done, our 12 packs each were about 600 to 650 just by the first, all the rares that we got. We each got 38 rares. All the rares came out to be almost $400. Then you've got like the foil showcase cards and the lands, the non-basic plains, island, swamp, whatnot. Those are $4 or $5 a piece. I mean, there is a ton of good stuff in the collector's packs. So we want to follow suit with just the regular packs and see how well they hold up to standard. So
We just had dessert before we ate.
of course, that's how it should be done.
This is not going to be as fulfilling.
After we open another 20 boxes each, maybe it will be.
I think
Hey.
one booster pack of the collectors is going to be better than my box.
Well, maybe
I'll
you're
probably
right.
hold more foils in one collector's pack.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Out of that collector's box, I would say a good 170 foils. So I think if you bought 3 boxes, you could make a complete set of common and uncommon, including the showcase cards. So without further ado, let's get to cracking. Yeah, I know.
It's missing the emblem.
Yeah, I know. But they are pretty purple. And no 5 rares per pack either. That's kind of sad.
These are defective. Too many comments and no
Yeah.
foil.
Yeah.
Oh, I got one. Yes. All right. Iron Keg. Pyromancer.
Well, hey. Now the sad thing is we're not going to get any of those extended art cards out of here. I don't believe so. I think those were only limited to those.
Yeah.
So, did pull 2 rares, Foil Witch's Vengeance and Viper of the Swarm. I like that card.
Here we go. This will be something. Fabled Passage. Land Search.
It's like is it a foiled regular?
Yeah, it's right on.
Yeah, it's around $10. I mean, it's not a bad card.
I like Land Search.
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh, nice.
Another Embercleave.
Mythic Myself, Questing Beast.
I haven't seen that one yet.
Pretty badass.
Vigilance, Death Touch, Haste. Sounds like one of the girls on Boulder Highway.
Fabled Passage myself.
Piper of the Swarm.
As popular as rats are, I like that card.
Not like Rat Pack.
Sorceress Spyglass.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice card. I like that one.
Polar
There's your,
Castle.
there's your Clackbridge Troll.
Not as nice.
Just not as pretty.
TCG player has not had a full extended art yet, foil extended art go through just yet. eBay has one listed for $150.
And that Stormfist Crusader again.
The Opportunity Village Dragon. Got a lot of those in the collector's box.
I like the card. The fact that you can steal somebody's non-land permanent. You just can't use it. Another foil.
Not as pretty. Has to be foil.
No, yeah, I like the foil.
That Grumgully is really nice foil.
So,
Love Struck Beast.
so should we return the other 4 cases of Thrones to go buy more boxes of collectors while we can?
If sales are not final, we should take back
Yeah.
the 4 cases and 100 of these old school fat pack boxes back. Buy nothing but collectors. Locking the Serpent.
I just got one of them too.
We shouldn't.
There you go.
Hey.
Got the Royal Scions. Unfortunately, it's just regular, but in the grand scheme of things, every little bit helps.
The Great Henge. This is an amazing.
Oh yeah, that's
card.
it. Yeah, that's if you got that in foil, that's one of the top 5.
Better mana ramp. At
Yeah.
a 9-drop, it's kind of
Yeah, it's a little pricey, but don't you use if you're playing with knights? Doesn't that help reduce the cost of it?
yeah, but you need a combo. You still need mana. You need a lot of mana.
Well, that's what I like what they're doing with the set. They are trying to encourage, kind of going back to Alara.
Bring out some landlords.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of cool card. I got this in foil. The Vantress Gargoyle.
Another opportunistic dragon. Yeah, and
It looks really nice in foil. It doesn't
stand out as much.
Yeah.
It's too dark.
The alternate art, or extended art, was phenomenal. Oh, another Wishclaw Talisman. I would say this is a lot like gambling at the casino, playing slots. This is your minimum bet, your 30-cent bet at the casino. Where the collector's edition is really your high rollers, maximum bet. You're either going to get something good or nothing at all. But regardless, the rewards are definitely better when you hit that maximum bet. Hey, Guilty Goose. Foil.
I just got one of those in that collector's pack.
And a Steadfast Queen. Look at that. So clean.
But look at that one. Fate of Wishes, but the showcase version, I don't know. I don't know if that's normal version or not.
It is showcase at.
Well, I know what I'm saying is I don't know if they have if there's a different version of it for the non-showcase.
I don't know. I know the foil is going for about $1.50, I believe, with the regular going at 79 cents.
Yeah.
Great looking card.
But the thing about these cards too is that, well, there you go. So a foil worthy knight. I just pulled a regular one. So a foil worthy knight, and then Escape to the Wilds. Both rares. Another collaboration. All right.
Missing that art.
And the foil.
And the foil.
The thing with a set like this, I mean, it's all new. Everyone's trying to grab their hands on as much as they can. And by another 2 weeks, prices will have fluctuated quite a bit until the next PTQs go on and whoever has the better deck comes out utilizing these cards. Now that's something we haven't talked about. The Brawl decks with the limited cards that they've come out with that. Those things are going crazy right now.
They doubled in price.
The Fairy deck is tripled. Because they originally were 20, now they're 60.
75 on eBay.
Yep.
Pulled a Cauldron of Eternity, but this Fervent Champion is a great card. First strike haste, 1 red drop for it. And look at this. It's just a strong card to play. It's virtually nothing. Man, I just love red.
Dead Guy red, Speed red. I keep on thinking that I'm pulling something when I do, because you're like, oh, what is it? That looks so cool.
Oh, funny.
And then you find out it's just one of the info cards, and you're like, oh. But is there a token on the back? No.
There's a thanks for buying Magic holder.
Nice thing about the collector's edition is that you got all foil tokens too, so those are $5 a piece. I mean, it is not hard. If you can find some place that has any packs, these are very limited, but if you can find some place that does and you can get one, it's almost worth it just to see the cards that you can get out of it. They get the foil tokens, double-sided foil token even. Get, one pack I had 5 rare, 2 mythics and 3 rares in it for a total of 5+ rares. I mean, it's worth it.
Claim Contender and a Black Lance Paragon. I think what we should do is buy the equivalent by, let's see, at the local store, they're 3 packs for $10, and these are now going for $30 a pack. So we should really see what 9 packs would do against 1 single pack of standard.
Yeah, I think that's a good experiment to see. I mean, because this right here is about well, a little bit more. And I can tell you that when I had a stack of foils just sitting right there, and had 36 rares, 38 rares, excuse me. I mean, it's...
Mirror Maid and Gilded View.
It is interesting to see what you would get, what the value.
The other thing to keep in mind is 4 cases or boxes of Magic cards is equal to what we would pull in one of these. So what we're pulling in here is really about 6, I don't even know what the odds, value-wise, these are about $105 at the store, and these are now going for $400. So these are equivalent to 4 packs. So literally what we have here would be, half a box.
Yeah.
And I just don't know if it's even worth. I haven't really pulled anything. Well, as I say that, I did.
Now,
Worthy Knight and a foil Cauldron.
Very cool. Now, the thing that I'm noticing here is that I'm getting cards that I didn't see a lick. And so if you are, trying to build your own play set of cards, trying to get your Chase Planeswalkers, and you don't want to go, I mean, that's another nice gamble, you can go to some online site and buy your play set from them of, say, Oko, and spend $500, $600, whatever the going rate for a playset is, or if you want them in foil. Or you can try opening them and getting them yourself out of cases, and you play the gamble with these. You go and try and get what what you're hoping for, the best. Hope for the best, pray for the worst. Kind of expect it. It just so hard. I mean, you get, I can't even really describe it. After opening tens of thousands of packs over 25+ years, and just going, hey, wow, I pulled this. Finally, you know, the joy, the celebration, you know, exhilaration of getting it, you know, versus going, I'll just take 4 of them, you know, would you like fries with that? You know, I mean, it's hard.
Most collectors, I believe, will buy a full set only because I've cracked a lot of boxes and cases of boxes, and at the end of the day, it's way cheaper. I remember when I first set it in Ravnica, Return of Ravnica, you can buy a play set for like $220.
Mm-hmm.
For $220, you can buy 2 boxes and pull a bunch of commons, and it was way cheaper to buy the set. Obviously, it's way funner pulling, you know,
Yeah.
individual packs, but at the end of the day, it is cheaper, in my opinion, to buy your set. On the other hand, what if you do pull that foil, whatever, and it pays for a set?
Yeah. You know, very true. And the fact that there are some cards, when they first come out, are worth nothing. You know, they're not even a 5-cent rare. And 10 years later, you go and look them up and they're $100, $150 card. I mean, and then you find out that you've got, you know, 15 of them sitting in one of your collection boxes just collecting dust until you realize that they're worth money.
They weren't good enough to go in a collection box.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Old shoe box.
Yeah.
So here we have a Charming Prince, the Beast, a Giant, and the Claim.
Not too bad.
But yeah, I've got plenty of cards with shoe boxes.
Yeah. I got plenty of cards in large moving boxes where you just, you know, kind of hope that somebody else will move on with them.
I've got plenty of whiteboarded cards
Yeah.
and shoe boxes that I won't refuse to go through. Another Crusader.
Yeah. I can definitely say that I haven't even been bothering, you know, listing the cards because they're jank rares. I mean, there's nothing
Sick.
monumentally.
Look at that art. Can you imagine extended
Yeah.
foil? Robber the Rich, amazing card. Matt sells on eBay. His handle is Dragon Bait, 2 T's. I do not sell on eBay because I am a Magic hoarder.
But after opening some of these, you may change your mind.
Yeah, I'm going to change my mind and hoard more cards.
But my eBay store is Thunder Comics and Cards. Ages ago, when I lived up in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, I had a store there that was called Lightning Comics and Games. And it was a wonderful place to be.
Where I met this guy.
Yeah. Wonderful place to be, wonderful place to play. Everybody, for the most part, had a great time. Just unfortunate circumstances forced me to close. So we are trying to get a rebirth of that store down here in Las Vegas. So
The Dream? Pretty. It's in sight.
it's the goal is closer in reach. You know, a lot better than it was a couple of years ago. And
or even a couple of days ago now.
oh yeah. Well,
February.
and after we get done opening all these cards, it'll be slowed down just a little bit because there's a lot of categorizing to deal with.
Nice.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look at this Umbreath Shieldbreaker. This is just, probably can't see it. Yep, can't see it. It's nice, trust me, Google it. Man, these mirror maids, over and over again.
That's one of the,
Yorvo.
yep, Yorvo, Lord of the Garenbrig. Golly, I can't spell it. Enunciate half of these. But I do believe that is one of the chase cards.
I believe if you make it up as you go,
Oh, sure.
it makes it a lot easier. Like Flaxen Intruder.
And there's another one. Once Upon a Time.
Another Fae.
If
Yeah.
that were foil, that would be $60 or so. I mean, it's...
Throw some aluminum foil over it and be good.
Yeah, there you go. That'll work. You must have carpal tunnel. You're slowing way down.
It is exhausting to open these packs. My pectorals are hurting over here.
Gadwick the Wizened. Wizened? Wizard. He's a wizard.
Was the Once Upon a Time back to back or what?
There you go.
And the foil. Well, it's missing the foil. But it identifies as a foil, therefore it is now a foil.
Okay, yeah. But yeah, so I mean, 2 boxes, 2 really good cards if you're trying to put them together. If it's, if it's the chase card, then, I thought I had another one. Wildborn Preserve.
Okay. God, that looks good. The clockwork, sir.
Yeah.
It is clean.
It's electric.
Outlaws Merriment. Man, Magic is starting to get aggressive. It is nice.
Done. Giant Killer was the last one. Now I've got, it's a showcase card, and I've got both a foil and a regular, and they're kind of mixed on how well that, what the prices are, where we're pricing them at. So
Fires of
right now it's still kind of early to figure out, who's built what deck yet. I know people have been crafting and theorizing these cards for 2-3 months while the spoilers were out. Now once everything is rotated out, we'll have to see who comes up with the best, and then depending on who net decks afterwards. So both boxes had two of the top chase cards.
Mm-hmm.
You
Possibly 3.
you still have several packs left.
The Bone Crusher.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we talked about that with our M20 boxes that we opened. Getting 12 to 14 was pretty good. This one not so much, but 10.
Escape of the Wands.
Oh, I take it back. I think there are a couple. Okay, so 2 foil rares. Okay, I take that back. So 2 foil rares out of it. So total of 12. So average.
Paladin and a Sundering Stroke. Another 7 damage.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Murderous Rider. I want to see that in foil.
I have that in foil.
Well, I want to see it.
Okay. If you get a chance, and I don't know if you like foils or not, some people love them. I personally do. Some people love them, some people absolutely hate them, and then others must absolutely have everything in foil and foil out their complete deck. But
I love doing that.
if you get a chance to just look at people's collections and see the foils that they have listed, you will find that there's some beautiful cards here. Whether or not that they are worth anything is kind of immaterial, because the artwork, the artistry is just phenomenal. And I know we've just kind of blown through everything, haven't discussed any of the what any of the card mechanics do or anything like that, but the artistry by far is just so beautiful, and I like the theme that they went with this set. I loved Innistrad. I loved Return to Ravnica. I loved the original Ravnica. This last Ravnica, not so much. But with this set, I love it already. I mean, beyond all the hype that's already out there for what they've done, what they've released, it's just great.
The hype is huge, and the hype is real. On Facebook, on the Magic Traders group, everybody's talking about their pulls. They're all boasting about it. Some seem far-fetched. There were 2 boxes into it. We have not seen what they've seen. And these are pre-order boxes. Once again, I don't know if pre-order boxes are better than anything else. Granted, today is no longer pre-order. It's release day. Yay. With that being said, I really don't know. Something we're trying to test is pre-order boxes better than a month down the road boxes or 3 months down the road boxes and last day box. That's something we're going to be testing on this channel the next couple months, probably about a year into it, is the pull quality of these boxes. Definitely the collectors is a whole different beast, but these here kind of seem on par with the 2020 that we have, which our 2020 was closer to pre-release as well. It just seems that you're at about the $60 to $70 range, and if you get lucky, you break 100 with foils, rares, and mythics, not including your commons and whatever else. But as a collector, this set is beautiful. I've not seen artwork like this before. It's almost they took proxies and really took proxies. This looks like a proxy. The quality of this card looks like someone, an artist, took the time to design it and just perfected it. Where the older Magic cards, in my opinion, the quality of the artwork, it was...
Sometimes they were just slapped together.
Yeah, and granted, there's some beautiful cards out there. I mean, there's some beautiful cards out there, but this here is just stunning. It really looks like it doesn't belong on a Magic card. And that's where I was getting with all these proxies is they'll take an image from something else and throw it on a Magic card and play with it. But this is not your standard Magic the Gathering quality. This is really
a fairy tale.
A whole nother level.
Yeah, a fairy tale.
It's exciting. So I'm very excited for the set. Some cards, like the Lovestruck Beast, he's got some roses on him. It's a cute card.
Well,
it's lighter.
Beauty and the Beast.
But on the other hand, this card here still says old school Magic. Just the print quality, it looks almost like it's 72 DPI, and this Smitten Swordmaster is a whole different thing. I mean, this is really just really cool, night and day. Some old school meets new school, and I'm in love with the set. How you feel about it?
I think it's great, and I think we're going to get on to our next box, and we'll have that video coming up before long. I've thoroughly enjoyed the time doing this, both doing it for you and doing it for us. This is a novel way to unbox by being able to sit here, talk about it, give our opinions, and have the chance to also test out, whether it be conspiracy theory about pre-release boxes or post, once the set has come out, whether or not, which is better. I still kind of fall on the pre-release conspiracy that they're better before the set has been completely released, before anything has been reprinted again. And enjoyed being able to talk to you about that. Enjoyed being able to pull some good cards, because we kind of doubled up in these 2 boxes. The couple of the chase cards, at least 2 or 3, were doubled up. So hope you guys have enjoyed it. Continue to look us up on YouTube, Facebook. As you said, ding the bell.
It's somewhere. I don't know where the ding subscribe bell thing is, but in YouTube videos I go, oh, ding the bell. So I don't know where it's at. Just find it, subscribe to it. It'll bother you every couple of days and say, hey, Matt and Pedro's got a new video.
So go and subscribe. If you have questions, ask us.
Comments.
Yes.
That's what they say. Comment down below.
Yeah.
We may respond once I figure out how to respond to a comment.
And if you like some of the cards that have been pulled, it'll take a little bit of time, but not very much, because these cards are hot. They will be going up on my store, and that's Thunder Comics and Cards. And eBay ID is Dragonbait. Read the information that I have on virtually every auction, because I try to do my best for you. And other than that, have a good one. Thank you very much.
Talk to you guys later.